हमरो जो पूर्त विभाग बजेट अच्छी कौन कौन प्रायोरिटी काम टेकअप करा जीवो और हमें यही लास्ट दुई डिकेड ऊर्ध्वे कितने हमें अचीवमेंट करी सेटा अपन माननीय मंत्री महोदय पाखु सुनिले मु जस्ट क्विकली अपन को गोटे प्रेजेंटेशन रे नहीं के जीवी प्रथमटा I'll introduce what Works Department is. Works Department is concerned with construction of roads, construction of bridges, construction of buildings, maintenance and repair of extensive road network in the state, maintenance and repair of buildings, improvement and maintenance of national highways in the state. Amaro dui decade paka jadi if we look at it, Amaro total 31,317 kilometers of important roads of the state are maintained by the Works Department. What Honorable Minister said, in last 2 decades plus, the extent of road network in the state under Works Department has almost doubled from 16,041 kilometer to 31,317 kilometer. Besides roads and bridges, we are also doing building construction and maintenance of buildings. So mainly building constructions relating to own Works Department, then our major infrastructure are medical colleges, Adarsh Vidyalaya, court building, sports infrastructure. So all these buildings also we are constructing, and along with that we also maintain these buildings. For numbers sake, the total area which is being maintained by Works Department today is 1,28,70,885 square meter of plinth area is maintained by Works Department. Budget, on budget, if I have to say, mainly this year our total budget is about 9,133 crore. Honorable Chief Minister has been laying lot of stress on building quality infrastructure in the state, and the growth compared to last year in this year's budget is about 9%. That's the total budget which we are talking about. Along with this, we must also appreciate that this is not the only work which Works Department does, because we also get deposit works from other departments. Health Department deposit works will be there, Sports Department deposit works will be there, then Education deposit works will be there. So once we compare that, it is almost the double of this we are executing the infrastructure. Airstrips also we are doing. So all these projects put together, we are executing almost double the quantum of works what is there in the budget. So those deposit works do not get reflected in Works Department. Now even under maintenance also, because creating an infrastructure and not maintaining is again not the right spirit. So even under maintenance head, there is a 12% growth over last year. So this is where our total budget numbers they stand. Going into the important heads what we will be executing this year. Under state sector road development program, we have an allocation of 4,600 crores for in 2023-24. Last year it was 1,890 crores. Now this will be used in improving 3,000 kilometers of roads and 9 number of major bridges. So mainly this will be used in improving 3,000 kilometers of road, making them double lane standard, and 9 number of major bridges. Along with this, certain important projects which will be taking up is 6 laning of Cuttack Ring Road, improvement of Taldanda Canal Road, 4 laning of Cuttack Paradeep Road, maintenance of it, 4 laning of Kapila Prasad Jatni Road, new 4 lane connectivity to Parlakamundi, bypass. Now as the towns are growing, we are feeling that the roads are getting choked. So there is an urgent necessity to develop ring roads around important towns and cities of the state. So we have a provision to construct ring roads around Barampur, Bolangir, Sambalpur and other places in this state also. Besides this, there will be a bridge over river Katjodi at Trisulia, river Baitrini at Chandbali, and Anandpur over river Brahmani at all, and construction of 6 lane road along Daya West Canal in Bhubaneswar city will also be taken up during 23-24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24. 24 Another important announcement which Honorable Chief Minister had made, and all of you are well aware of it. After successfully completing Biju Expressway, 175 kilometer of divided highway 4 lane, now state has decided to construct Biju Expressway 2, which will be connecting Barampur to Jaipur. And this we have already started the land acquisition work. So 100 crore has been kept in the provision, but this will again be augmented as and when funds will be required. Near about 6,000 crore will be spent on Biju Expressway 2 to make it double lane divided highway with a speed of 80 km per hour, and in Ghat section it will be about 50 km per hour. Then another important scheme of the department is integrated development of heritage and monuments and tourist destinations. For this, we have an allocation of 158 crores. Important heritage sites: Konark, Ma Sarla, Ma Katak Chandi, Neel Madhav, Shikhar Chandi, Alarnath Peeth. These will be developed in coming 23-24 under this head. Very important scheme of the department is ABDA, which Honorable Minister also in his opening remarks said to make Puri as a world-class heritage city. So there we have an allocation of 223.98 crores, so which will be utilized in completing the projects which are going on in Puri. Sri Mandir Parikrama project, Sri Setu, JVPC, revival of Musa River, heritage ponds, and development of beach front. This MLCPs, तीनटा जगह है जो आमरो चाली छी. So all these projects will be completed utilizing this allocation. Under RIDF, there is a budget provision of 698.50 crore. That is for improvement of roads and construction of bridges in rural areas of the state. Utilizing this money, we will be constructing 8 new bridges, and 220 km of road length will be completed. Besides this, every time it's very difficult for us to judge which road requires maintenance, which bridge requires maintenance, what is the condition of the bridge. So in order to have a scientific approach for road maintenance and bridge maintenance, we have roped in services of CRRI, who will help us in guide us in scientifically maintaining the roads as well as the bridges. This was just the brief of what is there and important projects which have important heads which have been kept in the budget of 2023-24. Now going into the achievements of 2022-23, as I said earlier that Honorable Chief Minister's vision is to have a high quality infrastructure in the state. So during this year we have improved 1000 km of road length, 28 bridges have been completed, and 2 number of ROBs and 1 number of flyover has been completed. Then Biju Expressway, which I said connecting Nuapada to Ambapani, that has been completed. Bridge at Bodh over river Mahanadi has been completed. Bridge over Mahanadi at Atmalik, flyover bridge at Lakshmi Talkie Square in Sambalpur city, all these have already been completed. What Honorable Minister said in his remarks, giving 2-lane good connectivity to block headquarters is a priority, and 304 number of block headquarters have already been connected by 2-lane good quality road. Balance works are also in progress and will be completing it by end of this year. The major building projects which are in progress is the world-class health infrastructure of SCV Medical College Cuttack, 5 number of medical colleges, 9 number of teaching hospitals, 10 number of district headquarter hospitals, 10 number of cancer care hospitals, 89 numbers of multipurpose halls which are the sports stadiums, indoor sports stadiums. In my opening remarks, what I said that works department is not doing the works only which are there in the budget. They also take deposits from other departments, DMF, OMBARDC also, and those projects are also being executed by the works department. Now, if I go to the major achievements in last 2 decades, what Works Department has been able to create an impact in the state. The road length, we have been able to almost double the road length from 16,041 kilometer to 31,318 kilometers road length. What Honorable Minister also said in his remarks, that budget which was 298 crores during 2000 and 2001 has increased to now almost 9,500 crore in 2023-24. You would also appreciate that this 298 crores was 2% of the allocation of the budget in that year. And today 9,500 crore is 4% of the budget allocation. So budget allocation not only has grown in numbers, but as percentage of the total budget also, the infrastructure has been given huge priority in the budget. The major road corridors which we have been able to complete in last 2 decades have been 4-laning of Sambalpur Rourkela Road 163 km, Cuttack Paradeep CC Road 82 km, 2-lane road of 304.5 km under Odisha State Road projects, which are Bhavani Patna Khariyar Road, Anandpur Bhadrak Chandbali, Barampur Taptapani, Jagatpur Chandbali. 2-lane road of Vijayawada Ranchi corridor of about 1,200 kilometers, Motu of Malkangiri to Tirunga of Mayurbhanj have also been completed. Some of the major bridge projects which have been completed. Our state is crisscrossed with a large number of rivers, and hence in order to have a complete connectivity, bridges form an important part of it, and many of the bridges are very, very large size bridges which we are executing. The most important one, as you are well aware, is the Gurupriya bridge which has been completed in Malkangiri district, which has given full connectivity to Swabhiman Anchal. Then Nelson Mandela Square bridge on river Mahanadi in Sambalpur district has been completed. T bridge at Gopinathpur over river Mahanadi in Cuttack district. Madhusudan Setu over Mahanadi in Cuttack district. Near Jatamundia over Mahanadi in Cuttack district. Subhash Bose Setu over Katjodi in Cuttack district. Near Rengali over river Eb in Jharsuguda district. Bajirao Setu over Brahmani in Dhenkanal district. Near Jainapur over Brahmani in Jajpur district, near Sankarasai over Bildwa Khai in Jagatsinghpur district, near Gumuda over Bansadara in Raigada district. These are just to name a few the bridges which have been completed by Works Department. Thank you.